What's up, guys? Kid Martin 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we got a technical analysis here on our mobile Ethereum platform status. Currently down 17% for the day, sitting at 19 cents. But really quick, guys, before we dive into that, wow. Look at this market, guys. Market cap at 451 billion. Today's volume 28 billion. Bitcoin dominance 33.9. Bitcoin still below 10,000. Actually, it's at, I believe, it's hanging out around 9,000 to 8,750. I've been trying to tell you guys, 8,000, 7,500 is the ideal target I'm heading for. However, we'll talk about it in a moment. Ethereum down 8%, Ripple down 16, Bitcoin Cash down 14, Cardano down 18. So as you guys can tell, the market's still falling. Not much to really explain here. But really quick, guys, let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin's price action. As you could tell, we went as low as 8,372. Still looks like we have some room to keep coming down. So here's what I believe is going to happen now that we've reached our target of 8,000 to 7,500. Two scenarios for me. Well, in my head, this is what I'm thinking. Either we're going to bounce off to this level and shoot towards the upside, or actually not even bounce. We're going to consolidate here for a bit and then bounce. Depending on how much momentum we have, we could possibly fall down to 6,000 or 5,000 and then shoot up towards the upside. But really, this is depending on how support holds up here and if people, are going to keep panicking and keep selling. But honestly, guys, don't panic. Hold your positions. If anything, keep adding. Not everything's at a discount. This is just my personal opinion. You already know I'm not a financial advisor. So those are my two scenarios for Bitcoin there. Ethereum here falling a little bit slower. However, we did come as low as about 930. Looks like we will be heading towards the downside. This is the daily here, Ethereum USD daily on Coinbase. This looks like it's going to be a nice bearish engulfing, so I'm definitely expecting Ethereum to actually come down to about this level here, around 770, 750, and then we could possibly consolidate here for a bit, come down, consolidate, and then bounce, or depending on momentum, we could come all the way down to about 400 and then shoot up, depending on the panic, guys, remember. But hold on to your positions is what I'm saying, not a financial advisor, you already know. And Litecoin here kind of behaving the same. Let me go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour here, close this little ad. So Litecoin came as low as about 124, almost touched our zone here. However, still expecting Litecoin's going to behave the same way as Bitcoin here, guys. Ooh, excuse me. Depending on how hard people are panicking and selling, I'm still expecting it to come down here, possibly consolidate and shoot up. Oh, excuse me, I keep burping. Or possibly come down to about 73 and then consolidate a little bit and shoot up. However, I feel like $100 is going to be a little bit more ideal. That's definitely where I'll be looking to add. However, hold on to your positions is all I'm saying, guys. Don't panic. So our coin of the day, guys. Status 19 cents, down 17% for the day. Market cap 691 million. Today's volume 161 million. Circulating supply 3.4 billion. Total supply 6.8 billion. Major exchanges here, guys: Upbit, Huobi, Top BTC, Bittrex, and Binance, and OKEX are the major exchanges there. Specifically, Upbit, look at that, 142 million. Not even close to any of these. But that's status, guys. It's down 17%. Let's go ahead and check out their Twitter. For those of you that don't know, actually, before we check out their Twitter, they have a, what's it called? Actually, no, my bad. I'm sorry, guys. Let's check out their Twitter first. For those of you that don't know, Status has actually invested 5 million into Riot Chat and Matrix.org. And Riot is basically the centralized tool built on the Matrix protocol. This marks the first start of our 2018 growth plans. So pretty big news there, guys. Status is actually investing into other companies. Instead of other companies investing, well, there are other companies investing. However, Status is branching out and looking to grow. So definitely caught my attention there. Another thing I wanted to bring up was, where'd it go? This one right here. We're happy to announce our Status Alpha 0.9.13 is here. If you haven't yet, you can request early access here at Status IM. So as of right now, guys, I am actually testing their Status mobile application. If you're interested, go ahead and click on the blog right here. It would be this link, which is basically this where I'm taking you. And it's pretty cool with the, So what I've been able to test out right now is this main wallet here. I'm able to request Ethereum and make sure it gets sent to the wallet. it's not real, they're fake, but it's kind of cool just to see it work. You can also send Ethereum as well. You're not able to add any other tokens, at least not as of now. Future updates will allow you to. Another cool thing you can do is actually have private chats. You can even do this offline, which I feel like is pretty cool. You don't need to be online to be messaging each other. Um, but that's pretty much it for status, guys. Let's go ahead and look at some price action here. All-time high is about 74, 75 cents. As you can tell, we're in a nice little channel coming down. My two little scenarios here for status, very, very similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. So we could be possibly seeing a bounce off 15 cents. And as you can tell, last time we were at this price, we consolidated here for a bit. Looks like we have pretty solid resistance. This was a resistance. So when we were coming, when was this? This was December 17th. We were coming up, formed a high, came back down, and then we consolidated for a bit. You could tell we had pretty solid resistance at about 15, 16 cents, and pretty solid support at about 10 to 11 cents. We then broke out of that, formed our all-time high at about 75 cents, and now we've been in a bear market since. So I'm kind of expecting the same thing here from status, expecting to consolidate here for a bit. Probably going to consolidate for a bit and then break out towards the upside, just like we did previously. Or depending on how hard this market falls, guys, we could see a drop to about 10 cents or 11 cents and then consolidate for a little bit and then shoot up towards the upside. However, both are great positions. I know we want to get the best, but we want to be able to buy the bottom and sell the top. You're not able to do that all the time. Sometimes you will, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't happen all the time. So this is probably the closest I feel like we are going to get to the bottom. However, guys, it's just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You already know. Where do I see status going in 2018, guys? I believe status is easily going to be, what happened here? Erased my target. Oh, no, I didn't. I believe status is easily going to be $1.50 here in 2018. This is most likely going to be happening towards the end of 2018 once they get all their, once they're out of beta and alpha and their application is actually live. If you are looking to test their application, make sure you check out the link down below. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, new video every single day. Give this video a thumbs up. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.